according to my perception, there are three characters in my story. One is a female, a lady around 30 years age, a boy around 4 to 5 years age, and a man around 20 to 25 years age. In my story, the main character is Ravi. Ravi is a newly posted traffic inspector of a village Rampur. While he is on his way to police station, he saw a child who is crossing the road without his parents. So Ravi went to him and he caught the child and he took him to his parents and insisted their parents not to send the children on roads so that they may get accidents.
Good afternoon, I am just number 37. I perceived three characters, two male character and a female character. Male character around 5 years old. And another male character around 20 to 25 years old, and the mother around 30, and the female around 30 years old. Ravi and his mother were returning from his school. His mother was his teacher, and while Ravi saw a kitten in the road, he immediately ran towards the kitten and didn't notice the cars that were going through. And luckily, the driver was vigilant and stopped, immediately applied the brake, and his mother came and grabbed him from there. Then he was saved.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am chess number 33. The picture that was shown on the TV, I have perceived two characters, which is one is female of the age group of 30 to 35, and another is a small kid of age group of 5 to 6 years. My main lead character would be the woman, Radha. She was an assistant professor in the nearby college, and while one evening she was coming back from the college, she saw a young boy playing with a ball, and suddenly the ball slips from the boy's hand and it goes through the road. And since the boy was very happily playing with it, he follows the ball and he didn't notice the traffic on the road, and it was a very heavy traffic that evening. So with the proactiveness of Radha, she alerts the traffic and she catches the boy and she returns the boy to the mother, and she advises the mother not to leave the kid unattended while you are on the road, and she advises the kid about the main traffic that you could get hurt. So the lady finally thanks the mother finally thanks her.
Good afternoon, friends. My chess number is 20, and what I perceive from the story is, from the picture is, there are two characters, a lady and her daughter. They are out in a market in the evening for some snacks. The kid, while going towards the snack store, looks at her father, who is coming back from the office, and runs towards him without even looking at the traffic. So while going through the road, the kid is unalerted about the busy traffic, and the mother, Kumud, which is the main character, she is shocked at her daughter's such behavior, and the father, Arun, from the other side comes for the child's rescue and saves him from that busy traffic, and gives him the lesson about traffic rules, and explains him that he should not cross the traffic when the lights are not red, and he should always cross the traffic when its lights are red and through the zebra crossing. Thank you.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. What I present from the story is of three characters and a group of people standing in a road. The main role goes to Naresh, who is a college student. On a fine morning, he stands in a road and he wants to cross the road to reach his college. Along with him, there was a group of children and all those people standing nearby. So while crossing, what he finds was a car who is going on a rash drive. So he immediately notes the car's number on the plate and later lodges FIR with the police station. And also he requests the college and the school management to take precautionary steps to avoid accidents like this. Thank you, friends.
Good afternoon, everyone. In my story, I perceived two female characters. One is a middle-aged woman, that is a mother, and a second is a female character of who is a child who is around 8 to 9 years old. I have introduced the main character, who is Akash, who is a traffic inspector. My story goes as Akash has always been an honest and hardworking inspector. One day while he was doing his duty, he found that a jeep was emerging rushly from crossing the signals towards a children who was playing with her mother and who has gone far away from her mother towards the road. Acting quickly, he responded by whistling and going towards the road, and by this action he avoided the accident. Later, the jeep men were caught and were reported to the police station, and he was awarded by the local MLA also. Thank you.
Thank you, just number 7. Hello friends, I am Ankit. I am just number 2. I have perceived 3 characters, 2 female and a male. So Mr. Rajesh, who was just passed out his 12th examination, has got good marks and passed out the examination, has a great awareness towards social awareness. So he decides to spread social awareness among the people so that we can reduce the pollution which is happening these days. So basically in the picture, it is a pamphlet which is printed by the Mr. Rajesh, who printed the pamphlet to show that see how the pollution is increasing, which is leading to global warming. That in that picture we can see that the lady is not able to cross the road because of the pollution, and the boy who is stuck in the middle of the road, and he is also not able to clearly see what is going on. That is a high traffic, jeep are crossing, the cars, bikes are all coming. So Rajesh actually tries to make spread awareness towards the society that what's happening is not good. We must reduce this pollution by spreading these pamphlets into people. And finally, with some actions taken, the pollution has decreased, and Rajesh had succeeded in his work what he wanted to do. Thank you.
Friends, as most of us had a basic background of a road with the traffic, and the main motive which all of us had was some traffic rules for the benefit of the society. So I'd like to suggest a common conclusion on this thing.
Small street. One by one we can tell this. On my view, it is a small street in between the, just like in college. The mother is shouting at his child who is crossing the road, because vehicles are coming from the other side, who is very rushed, lorry, etc. are coming from our side, and a man who is coming from this side on his way to office to get down from the car and pick the boy and give to his mother and put down the lorry or whatever coming from the small streets and give complaint to the police station.
Friends, it's also necessary that the college or the school, since we saw a small kid in the road, it may be presumed that there must be a school nearby. So it's better that the school and the college managements to put up pamphlets, boards for the benefit, and the mainly thing is the precautious one.
The road was having rushing traffic, so it must have been a busy road. So, and by the zebra crossing, we can conclude that it was a busy road and a main road. So we can perceive that it might have a signal, though it is not shown, but the main character or any character who had avoided the girl from being injured and avoided.
1 minute.
In my opinion,
the parents should also take care of them.
But it was a picture.
Yeah, it was a picture.
But road was in a rush. But road was having a.
So even
I would like to support just number 7 in his idea that the road was rushed and there needs to be some precautions.
In my opinion, the mother sending his son to school, she also know that the road was busy, so he
There are chances that something may happen accidentally. The child may run away. The mother's
No small child.
No mother would send your child like this. No mother would send her child like this.
No, there are chances that a child will pull his own hand and children. There are chances that we have seen that in reality. There may be chances, right?
It's not a mother, because if it was a mother, they would have walked together.
Yes.
So let us assume that it was somebody, a stranger.
No, but the mother
No small kid comes in the stranger, right? No small kid comes in the stranger.
If I talk now, it seems like the shouting, there's a pic taken. So it was not shouting, she was just trying to alert him, and he had a school bag. So
She
obviously
pointed
he was
towards
on
her.
his
So
way
she
to
might have
school.
been concerned about her.
According to my view, we can keep
stranger.
the
The stranger
clean
trying
for
to
you
alert
Friends,
know,
the
child
parents'
awareness
relative
program.
strangers doesn't
for
matter
kids.
here. Anyway, someone is alerting the small child there. That's the basic
We
thing.
can-
I want to add on to
But
it.
he was not
We
rushed
can
for-
also keep that traffic by traffic policemen. We have to traffic policemen should also take care of this.
There
And
were
that
traffic
picture,
men
basic
there.
thing
There
is
was
traffic
no
management.
security.
My opinion is parents and
There
there is not
and
just
in
one
also
thing in
school-
this story. There are basically two things: traffic awareness, and the parents should be careful about their
That's
children.
right. Yeah, that's right. I support
Yes.
Mr. Matandio.
There's no one. There's not only one theme. There are two themes, and also when the drivers are driving, they should be careful that if
If they see
suddenly
a
someone comes, they should be at a speed which is controllable. They should also be at a speed
The
like 40
drivers
to 50.
also should be alert that
Yes.
they will
Today,
cross
now
the
traffic,
road.
nowadays speedometer are fixed in most of the cars. So we should check whether the speedometer is fixed or not, and at a correct rate it is running or not. Because some of them within a few days of buying a vehicle, they remove the speedometers privately. You know.
Crowded areas.
Yes, we have to check that first. That's most of the
Let
accidents can be
DND
avoided.
views first.
And also there was no divider. There should be a divider for the roads between the roads.
I think they should have been a speed limit.
Basic idea is here about the traffic rules, the awareness, the alertness. That is all about the traffic.
The maintenance of roads, maintenance of traffic system, and the awareness among the
Awareness is more important.
We cannot.
If we start listing, there will be a lot of problems. Let's stick to a few problems.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, your time is up. Now you can nominate anyone from the group to tell us whatever the broad consensus has been arrived at.
I nominated
Thank you.
I think we should take the views of all the people.
Okay.
We should take the views of all the people.
No, this is done. See, at this stage, okay, I think you have the theory. Now, once it is done, now views. What were you doing before that?
No, sir. Views of all the people who should speak.
Yeah, I'll tell a
That has happened now. Okay, now that was the discussion. Thereafter, when it is nominated, then there is no more views. It has been taken. Okay.
Sir, I'm not talking the views on the topic, sir.
No, about this
Views on
one.
who must
Okay,
speak.
It's fine.
Okay,
Let's
okay, हाँ, don't take views like that. Okay, just quickly, broadly, whomsoever. No, don't. Okay, I have understood. Not views also is not to be taken like that. That fine tuning is not. Okay, people are said 17. Fine. Okay, so don't go for views like that. Okay, whom do you want? Whom do you want? Then there will be total chaos because suddenly 4 people. Then how will you do that? Okay, so that is that you will not do it there. This is a mistake, right? So just leave it at that, or you say no, somebody else. You can say your opinion, but don't tell everyone's views. Okay? Now let be him. Okay, and for you to stand, that is the only time you'll turn this side, look towards us. First, thank the group for giving you an opportunity, and now
Thank
tell
you,
us.
gentlemen, for providing me this opportunity. So the basic, the common story is, it consists of 2 main characters, both are females, a mother and a small children. The small child is trying to cross the road. There is a small misunderstanding between the mother and the child, so that the child runs, pulling her own hand out of her mother. And a car driver comes fastly. So the basic, a car driver comes fastly and he alerts himself and he stops the car and he checks the child whether there is no problem. And adding to the views of chess number 71, both the parents' care and also the traffic rules has to be respected here. Thank you.
Okay, please sit down. Just keep sitting here. We'll be back in couple of minutes.